Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody...
Those are leftover cheeseburgers, believe it or not. And that's some rigatoni pasta, black olives, my favorite canned tomatoes, San Marzano from Italy. Seasonings, a shallot, and garlic. Mike Foster here. Today it's a leftover surprise. You know, a lot of people don't have leftover burgers, but I do because I like to cook them all at once, and I only have my wife in here most of the time, so I have leftover cheeseburgers. But I'm going to show you a great way to use them in this killer leftover cheeseburger pasta. I'm going to chop this stuff up, and I'll meet you at the stove and put this baby together. I can't wait. All right, there's that burger. I cut it in cubes, you can see. About that size, so it'll cook evenly. Chopped up that shallot, chopped up that garlic. Now to the stove. All right, we're going to start with just a little olive oil. We're going to get the onions down and the garlic. I got the pasta water on, so if you hear some boiling in the background, that's what you're hearing. Let these go for a couple of minutes. I'll see you then. There's that leftover cheeseburger. There were 3 of them, and it's exactly what they were. Cheeseburgers from last night. And I'm going to make them into a killer pasta dish. I'm not kidding. Okay, let this go for a couple minutes. All right, that's been a few minutes. Now I'm going to put the black olives in. Everything's starting to come around, but for sauce, what do you need? I think you need tomatoes. What better than San Marzanos? Remember, these come whole, so you break them a little like this, and you get them in there. Oh yeah, that's the sweet babu. Oh yeah, that's absolutely gorgeous. And I just took some water and I rinsed the rest of this nice tomato stuff to give it the amount of liquid that we need. So now I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and we're going to start seasoning it with some salt. Just 4 cracks for now. Can always season more later. Pepper. I like that amount. Some oregano. I like oregano, as you can tell. We're going to use some parsley. That's it for the parsley. Some basil. Man, this smells good. Let me mix that up as it's starting to come to a boil. A little garlic powder, because you can't get enough garlic. I think I just did. And a little onion powder. Awesome. All right, a little olive oil on top. That's all. All right, we're going to bring this up to a boil now. All right, this has come up to a boil. I'm going to put it back down to a simmer. Cover it. Make sure it's just simmering, and we'll check it again in about 20 minutes. I'll see you then. All right, let's take a look. Oh, simmering nice. I want to take a taste of it to see if I need to add any more seasonings before I simmer it some more. I'm going to give it a go with everything that I already put in. I like a little seasoning on this stuff. A little more onion, and that'll be it for that. A little more garlic powder. Just hit it with the basil. And this is the oregano. A few more cracks of pepper. 2 more cracks of salt. All right, I'm going to let this simmer like another 20 minutes, and this baby should be ready. Okay, you hear that pasta boiling? That should be ready soon. Let's take a look. What I like to do now is take some of this pasta water and add it on it. That'll thicken this. Yes, it will. I'm not kidding. Put a couple in there. And we're going to add a little grated parm. Give it a little more body. And of course, killer flavor. All right. All right, let's fold this in. Put it up a little so it can simmer some more. And we're almost ready for this leftover cheeseburger pasta. Hey, I think it looks pretty good. A little more cheese. All right, this has been cooked for 13 minutes. It's drained. It's rigatoni. Oh, and it's gorgeous. Perfectly cooked, I must add. Let's fold it in. We're turning the heat off and fold this in. Oh, is that a meal? It's a meal for many people. I'll meet you at the counter for the taste test. I can't wait to try this. Well, there's a close-up. That's the leftover cheeseburger pasta. Can't wait for a big bite. This bowl's hot. You can see it steaming. Let's have a bite of it. Oh, I can barely hold it. That's good. They're like little meatballs. Don't throw that stuff out of the fridge unless it's really old. And try different recipes. Look how hot this is. And check out Live Life 365 and subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. And enjoy the sweet baboo. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I'm gonna wash up. Because I got the stuff on my hands. It's been a murder. This is hot. That's really good. No, I need some French fries. I'm just kidding. God, I'm like sweating from this. Baba.